Hello, this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and this is my late docuseries, Learning Acrylics. Supposed to have been up this morning. And with all the craziness going on in the world with my job and everything else, well, I'm here now. I am here now. We are going to, I have already, let's see, what are we going to do? We're swatching out this beautiful pink color that Princess D made for me for my birthday. We are doing that. We have got 2 nails here. I've already got a clear coat on them. They have been buffed and filed. I've got my monomer here. Bird Pure brush, Bird Pure brush. Get all the air bubbles out. And we will begin. We're going to dive in with the pink. Like I said, we are swatching out this beautiful, beautiful pink color. I just love this. I think this is just beautiful. Just beautiful. We're gonna pat, pat, pat. Keep it on the nail. Wipe, wipe, wipe. See if I can get this to spread out correctly. I think this is really beautiful. I want to take the chance right now to thank everybody for their birthday videos, their manicures, the manis they did for me for my birthday on Sunday. They were just outstanding. I mean, some of them I was just blown away by. Some of the freehand work was just, wow. I was really, really blown away. I thank you ladies. I greatly appreciate it. It means the world to me. So yeah, I wanted to thank everybody. I wanted to take this chance to do it now. I mean, I did it in the group chat today, but I wanted to say it publicly so they can hear me. It really does mean a lot to me. Really, 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 really does. I love this pink. The clear that I got was from Princess D as well. And I thought it was the container that it came in, but she says it's not. That she has recently purchased a clear polymer. That's how you say the word. And she mixed them. You know, she put it in that container. So it's a brand new, and it just goes on like butter. I just loved it. What do you think of this? I think this is just beautiful. See, I got a tad bit of a bare spot there. I can almost see through it. So I'm going to put this here. Swipe this over the whole entire nail. Get it so it's even. That is just stunning. I love this. I don't know if the camera is doing this nail justice at all. But the sparkle, okay, there I think we go. The sparkle in here is just beautiful. My room is real cold. To use the monomer, I have to have my bedroom window, because my desk is in my bedroom. I have to have my bedroom window open all the way, my fan on, my door closed. So it gets a little bit chilly in here with this. When I was doing the clear, it wouldn't dry. It would not dry to save my life. So, I don't know if maybe I should put this under the light. I'm not certain what to do. Whoops. Oh, we got a dirty brush. Dirty brush, dirty brush, dirty brush. Clean your brush out in your monomer. Pat, pat, pat. Wipe, wipe, wipe. You can just draw this down over the tip of the nail. Will be golden. Whoops. Hit it the wrong way with my brush. Hope everybody is staying safe out in the world, regardless of where you are from. This coronavirus is not being picky. It is a worldwide epidemic, pandemic, as they're saying. And I just really hope everybody's being safe and taking all the precautions as necessary. It is definitely better to be safe than sorry. That way, we're all here tomorrow, right? I'd rather everybody be safe. That way I know all my friends that are still here. All my loved ones. Let me see this nail. I'm not... I'll make sure I got my sides covered. What do we think so far? That's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Got a little bit of a bare spot over here. Wipe, wipe, wipe. There. Oh my. Ow. Oh. So I'm going to pause while these dry. And I'll be back in just a jiffy. Alright, we are back. Sorry for that, clearing my throat. We are now going to go back in with some clear. I'm not getting too big of beads here with this little brush. I shouldn't say that. I do love this brush. It's my new Beatles brush. I think this is really cool. I do really like it. Just trying to get a little bit bigger of a bead. The news, they're still talking about the coronavirus and shutting this down and shutting that down. All restaurants and bars, gyms and all that closed yesterday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's just in southeastern Michigan, or Michigan I should say. Just a scary thing the world is going through. I hope everybody's just safe, I really do. Take all the precautions, but don't be a hoarder. The news is saying we should not be hoarding, the same thing my pastor said. For those Christian people out there, they say you have to trust in Jesus to provide, to take care. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not worried. I've been scared early in the days of this starting because didn't understand, didn't know what was going on. But, you know, the president's been on TV, the governor of Michigan's been on TV. I got Nails of Interest texting me about just what we're talking about. She's in Florida. On the 6 p.m. news there, they said they've had 2 more deaths there in Florida, which I'm sorry to hear that. That's very unfortunate. So far in Michigan, we haven't had any, thank God, knock on wood. Sorry, I had to answer her. But we will get through this. I do believe that wholeheartedly. I really, really do. So now back to my mani. I have put the clear on. This is going to dry. Yeah, something on my mat. Ooh, maybe I should cover my clear before I blow on it, huh? So this clear and my beautiful pink. In case you just stepped in. Look at how gorgeous this is. That's just beautiful. There's a shimmer to it, like a hollow shimmer. Love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. So now we're going to wait for these to dry, and I'm going to top coat them. Sorry for the dead air. Answering Nails of Interest again. She's worried. I mean, I'm worried for other people. I'm not worried for me. I'm worried for the elderly. That's what I'm worried about. So I guess I should show you the other nails I did off camera this morning. No, I think I'll wait. I'll show them to you all at once. The top coat that I'm going to be using is Top It Off by Beetles. Sorry for all the jostling of the camera. But that's what I'm going to be using once these are dry. And, yeah. Okay, it is time to top coat, ladies. Like I said, I'm using Top It Off by Beetles. Love this top coat. Look at this nail, how the sparkle just comes out. I think it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. I know, save my day job, right? Stay there, quit the singing. I'm sorry. Alright, it's time to stick these in the lamp. Oh, here's my full set. We're hobbling and bobbling again. I'm really sorry about that, but here's my full set. I guess I'll show them to you now. This pink is just stunning. So I got that in the lamp. That's going to cure for 60 seconds. That's what the recommendation is for all Beetles gel polishes. Plus, when you're doing a top coat, rule of thumb, 60 seconds in the lamp. I'm going to clean my brush off in the monomer. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Get it back to its original position. And hang it to dry. Here's my Beetles brush. This is size 14. They run a little bit small. So this might be a 10 or a 12. Yeah, my room's cold. The glitter don't want to. Oh, I got something on my brush. Or the handle. I think it's acrylic. Oh my goodness. That's not good. It jumped under my nails. So we're going to hang this to dry. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Take our nails out of the lamp. here we go. What do you think, ladies? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this stunning, stunning color by Princess D. As of right now, it does not have a name. Oh, maybe that should be my next giveaway. Name my pink acrylic. What is the date today? 17th of March. Oh, happy St. Patty's Day, everybody. Hello. Oh, I should do this. I'm going to hold off on it. Don't nobody put a name for this acrylic down. I am going to do that as a giveaway. Just not yet. I got to figure out my finances for mailing it. But that is, I'm going to take that out of sight. Don't nobody put down a name yet, because it will be a little giveaway I'm going to have where I will, the prize will be mailed by me, so it's going to be, I guess it can be whatever, U.S. International. I will put in some, like a little baggie. Let me find one. I got glitter spilled all over the back part of my desk. It's just horrible. You can't, like a little baggie like this. I don't know what to call them. Anyways, with some crystals in it, some gems. I can ship those international as well as Canada and around the world. So that'll be it. But we're not announcing it yet. We're just thinking about it. So this is the end of our video. We are over our time. Hope you liked my set of acrylics today, my overlay. Hope you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. It is, was, and always will be free. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.